Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantail Pigeon. So today I am showing you all variety of Fantail Pigeon breed in my loft. As you can see, I have released all my Fantail birds outside of this of their loft and kept in one place. There are different types of Fantail. There are white in color and this bluish type of Fantail in color and this black type of Fantail. Some are in almond color as well. Some are this ace color and some are this brown color. I have released some white Fantail baby as well. This almond color is very unique color. I am moving this male for further breeding as well. As you can see, this white tail Fantail, brown body and tail is white. This is also a rare type of pigeon. And if you will see here, white color Fantail are beautiful color of Fantail, but I am using this bluish type of Fantail as well for color study, and I am crossing between this black type of Fantail with this white type of Fantail as well, and let's see what type of baby will they produce. As you can see, Fantails are mating as well. As you can see, there are many Fantail. It is really interesting video and enjoyable video as well. After releasing them all Fantail and watching at morning and evening is really wonderful view. I'm crossing between this white Fantail male and this blue bar female. Let's see what type of baby will they produce. I think they will produce checker pigeon. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like the video and if you wanna watch new upcoming videos like this, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fantail Pigeon. Thank you everyone.